Hey everyone, I'm excited to say that today I received my Super Nintendo Classic Mini, and here it is. And I thought I'll do an unboxing video so you can see exactly what's in the box. This is the UK PAL version. So like I said, this was released today after pre-ordering it. It comes with 21 games pre-installed. So first thing you see is the operations manual, and then this must be the console itself. If you can see by the size of my hand, that's my hand. It's tiny, 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 tiny. It's got the you never believe you would see a Super Nintendo that says HDMI at the back. The on-off switch works. Obviously you can't put a game cartridge in there, so that's fixed. Looks like the reset button works. Obviously you don't need eject, so that's fixed. It is exact replica of the original size one, made in tiny form. So that's what you get. And then you get the two controllers. I believe with the NES version you only got one controller. They were nice enough to include two controllers, so I hope they've put enough two-player games in there. Here they are. Don't know why I would have thought they would have made these wireless to go with the times, but to me that looks like exactly the same controller. I should have got my original one and we could have compared. So that's one controller. And this is the other controller. Obviously it's going to be identical. I do like opening new stuff. It's a lot of fun. Identical. Then it comes with HDMI lead, of course, and the power lead. There's no plug, so what? Meant to provide yourself with the plug for that, which I probably got a spare USB plug laying around, but like they could have like included the plug, you know, to make it fully plug and play. Let's say you don't have a spare plug and you just want to play this thing, what are you going to do? Anyway, this is the box. So it's got the flash glare in it. It shows you some of the games that come on it. Super Mario World, Donkey Kong Country, F-Zero, Super Mario Kart, Super Street Fighter, Contra, Punch-Out. I would have liked, well, Mega Man. I mean, these are good games. Super Metroid, Star Fox. I think there is, I didn't really do my research properly, but I think there is a never before released game on the Super Nintendo. Is it Star Fox 2? No, I don't know. It's not a game that I really am into. Oh, here it is, sorry, it says it here. So for flash glare, Star Fox 2 it says. So that's a never played or ever released game. I wish it was a different game, but can't choose, can you? They give you two controllers. I would have liked to have seen more two-player games, really. Zelda, is that two-player? I'm in the minority here, and I'll probably say I'm not into Zelda. So yeah, here it is. This is my my Nintendo Classic Mini. I'll probably make a play video of it. Stay tuned. and peace out.